account on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your phone, and now you have to open the app. Now you can see this is the desktop of your TikTok. At the bottom there are different options like home, friends, plus, inbox, and the profile. You have to click on the profile, and whenever you have to click on the profile at the top, click on add account, and you can also make a new account in this way. Use phone number or email, continue with Facebook, continue with the Google. You can also continue your account, TikTok account, with your Facebook account, with your Google account, and you can also add your phone number or email. Terms and condition, you have to, if you are agree to all, then you have to select on it, and in this way click on the next option, put your phone number, or you click on it, and you can also write your email address. When you have to write email address, the code will be forward to your email, then you have to copy that and paste on it. In this way you can log in your new account. If you are dialing your phone number, you can get your SMS code on your phone. You have to put it and you have to log in. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.